Are you Jane Marple?
Marple, if you please.
Very well, get on with it.
It?
I have a performance in half an hour, madam. Whatever you had chosen to do for me, do.
Oh.
And throw your voice to the back of the theatre. I want to hear every word.
I can't catch what you say.
I want to hear every word.
Oh, very well. The Shooting of Dan McGrew by Mr. Robert W. Surface. A bunch of the boys were whooping it up in the Malamute saloon. The kid that handles the music box was hitting a jagtime tune. And back of the bar, in a solo game, sat dangerous Dan McGrew. And watching his luck was his light o' love, the lady that's known as Lou. When out of the night, that was 50 below, and into the din and the glare, there stumbled a miner, fresh from the creeks, dog dirty and loaded for bear.
Just give me the gist and get to the climax.
Oh, dear me. That's very difficult. It's a long poem, and there's a great deal behind it. However, as you wish. Well, now, soon after the stranger has entered this lurid scene, it becomes increasingly evident that there is a growing antagonism between him and Mr. McGrew, an antagonism which is to end in stark tragedy. Shall I pick it up at the point when the miner, seated at the saloon piano, is playing like a maniac?
Yes, yes. Please do.
Thank you. Then the stranger turned, and his eyes, they burned in a most peculiar way. In a buckskin shirt that was glazed with dirt he sat, and I saw him sway. Then his lips went thin in a kind of grin, and he spoke, and his voice was calm. And boys, says he, you don't know me, and none of you care a darn.
Yes, 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 but get to the point, please.
But I want to state, and my words are straight, and I'll bet my poke they're true, that one of you is a hound of hell, and that one is Dan McGrew. Then I ducked my head, and the lights went out, and 2 guns blazed in the dark, and a woman screamed, and the lights went on. And 2 men lay stiff and stark. Pitched on his head and pumped full of lead was dangerous Dan McGrew, while the man from the creeks lay clutched to the breast of the lady that's known as Lou. I'm not as wise as the lawyer guys, but strictly between us two, the woman who kissed him and pinched his poke was the lady that's known as Lou. Are you still there?